Good morning, guys. It's now almost 9 o'clock, and today I'm going to cook this one. This is a bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. In the Philippines, we called it ampalaya. Yeah, it's big. This one is expensive. It's $4. I'm actually editing my video while preparing this. I have this already cut. This is the bitter gourd or ampalaya. I have onion, garlic, and tomato. This is now hot. I think it's done, so yeah, just going to reheat this rice and we'll be good. Good morning, guys. We are going to work now. Yeah, my duty today is 12 o'clock and we'll finish at 9 o'clock. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, we're just the time now is it was 9:20 when I left the house, and yeah, we're going to the center because there are a few guests. There's one family that I am going to meet. They've been here before, also I've met them before, and they've been in my videos. Good morning. Morning po. Hello. Oh, nice. I didn't know that they have a swimming pool here.
Video.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Salamat. Yeah, it was really good to meet them. Amazing. Okay, so it's still early because I plan to get to work by 11:30. Yeah. And I eat this morning, and then I had a little snacks in the Airbnb of Kenneth and the family. So I want to eat something before getting to work. We tried this one. This is Saba Banana Turon. This is basically a banana roll. Is one of the most delicious dessert snacks in the Philippines. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, this is how it is today. It is a little smoky. You don't see the other side. Yeah. And it was 11:35 when I left the house. I should be at work by 11:50. Okay, we are now here in the vicinity of my workplace. I'm just going to say this thank you to Kenneth and family member for coming here in Port Stephen, here in Nelson Bay. I think it is going to be rainy today. Yeah, at the moment there is a tiny droplets of water, a sprinkler of water. Oh, these cars are still here. I've seen these cars last night when I was getting home. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Actually, we're going to stay somewhere there because I have a sandwich and Gatorade here. Not Gatorade, but Powerade. Yeah, something to drink. Yeah, because I was really not really tired, but you know, I feel like I spent so much and this is the first time that you see me wearing this t-shirt and this shirt. Yeah, I like it. It is new. The size is just right for me. It feels like someone measured it for me, and I like it. Good morning, guys. It is now 6 o'clock. No, not yet. At 5:35 we are going to work. Oh, look at that. The neighbors, they're going to throw that. Yeah, and on the other side, if you can see, it's Christmas already. It is a very windy day today. Yeah, a lot of people are putting their things outside. And maybe because of the Black Friday, they bought something from the Black Friday like last in a few days ago, and they have all those things out. They have new one in their house. Oh, look at this. Even here, a lot of stuff. Yo, good afternoon, guys. We are going home now. There is a little bit of rain today. Big droplets on this side. If you can see the black clouds on that side, yeah, that's on top of my workplace. It is raining in there. But you know, in this side, it's just good. Look at the clouds, and the sky is really good looking. But there is a droplets of rain in here. It is now 20 minutes to 4 o'clock. I'm actually doing my laundry. I have this, my apron and my trouser, my white, and I'm going to put this outside. I have some more here. Okay, you know, I grew up with my parents, and we always do our laundry by hands. It's actually my mother who do the laundry. Yeah, doing laundry is very difficult thing to do. Yeah. I don't know if the Australian or the American or you know the other nationality, they do laundry by hand, but yeah, I know mostly in Southeast Asia the people, yeah, they do the laundry by hand, doing like this, taking water from somewhere with a big bucket. Yeah, when I was working at the French Baker, I do my laundry by myself, and it's a really difficult thing to do. I do my laundry like every week because I have a lot of uniform, so good for 1 week. If I am really lazy, I go to the laundry shop and I just pay them to do my laundry. I know for sure even this time a lot of people are doing that. Instead of doing their own laundry, they go to the laundry shop, and it's easy.
Okay, and I have the other one outside already, and this will be, because this is the dirtiest, like my trouser and the apron, I will do it last.